Some beautiful K100 goodies to go on this EP3 we've got in today, including, obviously, K100 ECU so that we can map it. Good bit of kit this, available on the Dynodaze website. Give us a shout. There she is, up in the air, and we've got a nice exhaust system. We'll make some power, make some noises today. Okay, so she's made it to the dyno, and as you can see, we've got some lovely bits on here. Yeah, Teguar intake, not our favourite, but I suppose it does look pretty, doesn't it? It's now got a 4-branch manifold on it and a very nice exhaust system, which I shall show you. Yeah, so it's time to install. Basically, we've got to run it in standard form on the standard ECU. Then we're going to install a K100 ECU and get mapping. We're actually going to map on a K Pro, and then at the very end we're going to write that to the K100, add launch control and things like that. But it's actually a very, very clean EP3, and I think it's going to benefit from an underseal to keep it in such good condition. Yeah, what a beautiful car. It's going to make some noises, I tell ya. Well, there's the gorgeous EP3 mapped, and as you can see, that's a massive increase in the mid-range. I mean, we are on power again and making power across the rev range there. Just there where that arrow is 40 brake horsepower. That's a 40 brake horsepower increase, and that's going to feel incredible on the road. So we finished today with 223 brake horsepower, which is great. Yeah, top stuff. You'll be happy with that.
Yeah.